Kabila ka, okay na? Ah? Yung tingin. Wala na ka ng quarter na. Number 2.
Sa corner natin number 44. Back to number 44 on elbow. Basket 3 points, successful shot para kay number 44. Deacon, pass to Ginitaran. Ginitaran, a little push, Ginitaran. No good. Rebound. That's a shot. That's a na nandiyan pa. Number 17 versus back 2 points. Santera. Moving on to it, bringing number 15. Basket 2 points para kay Apolinario. Supply number 8. Now already back on possession. Bamba. Down the lane, pass to Bayron. Basket connects. 2 points.
Talon, Sid.
Bamba, DJ Bayron, lay off. In traffic, no good. Muhammad for the rebound. Pass to Apolinario, drive, lay off, basket is good, right, pass down with one foul. Right. Deacon, pass to Bamba, fire for 3, top long, basket in on, para kay number 24, Bamba.
Hindi ba Banba yung pangalan niya? Nakaban sa San Pascual yan.
Eugenio, pass to Apolinario, basket off the glass, 2 points. Apolinario, pass to Santera, deflected. Decent, pass to Bamba, 2-in-1 play, Bamba gets the contact. They want to to the line, they want more. Apolinario, pass to Eugenio, back to Apolinario, keep it going, no good. Decent for the rebound. Decent, attacking the basket, lay off, basket 2 points, para kay Decent.
5 minutes
Santera, pass to Eugenio, pass to Denosa fire. No good. Ang bola na kay Ginitaran.
Last possession. Last possession.
Ginitaran, lay off. Basket to play. Mandatory. Number 11. Back number 11. Back to Bukid. Bukid, fire. Apolinario. Ang panira na kay Adorna. Pass to Obusa. Obusa makakagawa. Lay off. Basket behind. Para sa team Archie. Bukid. May tama ng bola. Makuha ng Delfino ang possession. Delfino drive. Lay up. At ang possession. Timichan. Pass to Bukid. Bukid. Fire for 3. Yes sir. Basket off the glass. 3 points. Successful shot. Para kay Agres ngayon, binigay kay Adorna drive, lay off, no good, rebound. Nakay Delfino, pass to Bangoa, jumper, basket, 2 points. Pass to Obusa fire, elbow, no good. Bukid for the rebound. Isang outlet pass, papunta kay Bukid, sakto yung pasa. Yung 2 points, sakto para kay Bukid, basket, 2 points. Nokias, pass to Eroisa. Stumble, binigay kay Nokias, pass to Bukid, elbow, 3-pointer. Same spot, no good. Rebound Rosal, basket 2 points. Bukid ngayon. Bukid, penetrating, keep out pass kay Bukid. Bukid fake. Bukid, down the lane, pull up, Jay in kay Bukid, pass to. Eloisa number 20, the ace to basket 2 points. Agnes crosses over. Agnes. Pass to Bangoa. Jumper. Perimeter. Basket. Connect. Para kay Control. Bukid. Pass to Rosal. Yung pasa. Makukuha. Ni
Alaban nyo yung
Delfin. Pass to Agnes. Basket. 2 points. Using the basketball. Bangoa. Pass to Agnes. Agnes elbow. Agnes ilalim kay Adorna. Back to Agnes. Agnes to Bangoa. Bangoa take the shot. Knock it down. Para kay Bangoa.
Rockford? Rockford dyan ah.
Nokias. Dribbling the ball. Waiting for his teammate. Nokias. Pass to the side. 33 seconds. Bukid, shoot for Gray. Yes, sir! Pangalawang three-point basket na yan. Ni number 22, Bukid. Adorna, pass to Obuza. Binigay kay Agres. Siya magtitimon. Para sa Team Mark. Binigay kay Pangol. 9 seconds on the shot clock. Agres. To Obuza. Wala ang bola. Naka-18 ang possession. 6 seconds. Pass to Bukid. Takes a shot. No good. Ace for the rebound. Off the glass. Basket connects. Wala na po oras.
Saan rin ba, Sir Jay? Hindi mo nahawakan pala?
Score natin 25 and 23. Official. Bola na number 13, Trey Allen. Bubot. Supply. Ang bola na ay ginitaran. Forward pass to Bamba. Bamba takes it. Bamba. Drop pass to Descend. Basket 2 points. Ang bola na ay Apolinario. Layout. Basket yan para kay Apolinario. Bamba teardrop off the glass. Matik yan para kay Bamba. Eugenio, pass to Osias looking for his teammate. Pass to Apolinario to the Diamante off and under. Basket, 2 points. Osias. Kawawa ng bola lang ay Bamba ang possession. Pass to Ferrer. Iniwan kay Decent. Basket, 2 points. Tabla ang ating laban. Osias. Pass to Apolinario. Drive. Lay up. Basket yan para kay Apolinario. Decent. Pass to Bamba. Bamba fire. Bamba gets it. Lamang ng isa ang Team Mark. Diamante drive. Diamante iniwan kay Eugenio. Take it easy. Waiting for the pull. Force para sa team. Ichan. Wawan ni Bamba. Force pass to Decent. Lay off. Basket. 2 points.
First team down ng like 21.
Decent, giving instruction to his teammate to take the play. Binigay kay Bamba, Albert, 3-pointer. Connect! Para kay Bamba! Creating some space. Dalawang humarang. Rosal pa rin. Deflected, another. Pass to Bangkod. Bangkod ngayon. Bangkod. Stop and pop and pull the trigger. Basket yan para kay Bangkod. Pass to Bukid. Pass to Bukid. Number 20 to Private Way. No good. Rebound na kay Iso. Simpson to Nicky Nokias. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Nokias takes a shot. Basket lucky bounce para kay Nokias. Bangkod. Pass to Agres. Libre basket. Nice assist coming from Bangkod. Pass to Agres. Shot clock down to 10. Agres pass to Salaman. Get fired for 3. No good. Agres for the rebound. Agres pass to Bangkod. Pull it away. Huli ka kay Ace. Forward pass to Bukid. Lay off. Basket beyond para kay Bukid. Supply pa na ito. Ang bola na kay Adorna. Put back. 2 points para kay Nokias. Dwayne point guard. Pass to Bukid. Back to Nokias. Pinasa sa kabila kay Bukid. Nakita. Si Bukid fires. No good. Ang bola na kay East to basket. Put back. 2 points. For Bukid. Bukid takes a shot. Supply, Rosal for the put back. Basket yan para kay Rosal. Lamang na ang Team Ichan. Agres. Down the lane, Agres. In traffic, we have a foul. Foul jersey number 11, Ace. Hindi, si Nokias pa rin. Nokias, first personal foul, 13th foul. Pasok na lakas. Bukit, outlet pass to Bukit. Matasin. Turnover. 6 seconds. Adorna, pass to McDoy. Wala na. End of the second quarter. Score natin, 45 and 44. 1 point lead para sa Team Lechon. Obuza, pass to Deason. Deason, penetrating. Wakas mo. Layup para kay Deason, 2 points. Nokias, pass to Eugenio. Back to Nokias. Pass to Eugenio. Sa right corner. Bang, bang! 3 points para kay Eugenio. Receiving it. Nokias, pass to Dinosa. Kawawala ng bola. Ala kay Obuza. Pass to Deason. Deason, pass to Papa. Iniuti Deason. One up play. Coming from Team Mark. Obuza. Pass to Bamba. Bamba nakita si Tinetaran. Basket connect. Namak na. Ng isa. Ng Team Mark. Eugenio. Pass to Eugenio. Shoot for 3. Yes, sir. Same spot. Same result para kayo. Deason. Pass to Bamba, deflected from behind. Eugenio, pass to Eugenio. Eugenio, 2-in-1 play. May backup na sa depensa. Nokias, big Nokias. Jumper, basket, 2 points para kay Nokias. Pass to Ginitaran. Ginitaran na ngayon. Nagawin niya Apolinario. Apolinario. Nagawin from behind. Ginitaran. Ginitaran, iniwan kay Bayron. Basket, 2 points. Gusto yung bench ng kandan. Eugenio, shoot for 3. No good. Rebound, Ginitaran. Ginitaran. To Bamba, to Bayron. Bayron is stopped. Bayron to Deason. Libre na. Basket, 2 points. Pagkaulit ang ating laban. Second personal foul. Second team foul. Dinosa layup. Basket para kay Dinosa. Obuza. Obuza. Marquez over Bayron. Put back and one. Usalan ni Bayron. Bayron. Inaagaw na Apolinario. Nokias. Nokias drive. Kick out pass. Eugenio. Basket successful. 3-pointer para kay Eugenio. Lalaki. Pass to Agres. Binigay kay Bamba. Fires. Connect. Successful. 3-pointer para kay Jumpers Round. Bamba. Tapla na ulit ang ating laban. Macias. Macias. Pass to Ace. Ace 100. Basket yan para kay Ace. Ang bola na kay Macias. Macias. Pass to Eloisa. Eloisa. Shoot for 3. Connect. Para kay Macias. Macias. Dribbling. Macias. Nice screen coming from Ace. Binigay kay Ace. Ace ngayon. Layup. Basket ulit para kay Ace. Pass to Santera. Kay Ace. Supply. Adorna for the rebound. Adorna. Adorna ngayon. Adorna. Big hit. Kaliwa. Basket yan para kay Adorna. Macias. 2 minutes and 10 seconds remaining. Macias. Drive. Pass to Diamante. Basket yan para kay number 8. Diamante. Delfino. Alex Rodriguez. In and out. Ang bola na Delfino. Pass to Bamba. Bamba fake. Bamba for 3. Macias dribbling the ball. Deflected. Ang bola na kay Eloisa. Pass to Ace. Ace lose on. Basket to that second now para kay Ace. Meron tayong 2 shots. Foul, jersey number 12, Bamba.
Number 12.
Second personal foul. Warning for penalty. Ang team, Mark. First try, Mystic.
Big uwi nga, no? Uwi.
Second try, basket ng Barangay Diamante. Isang dalawang hinahapos. 23 seconds. Agres ngayon. Agres. Pass to Delfino. Ang bola na ay Bamba. Bamba takes the shot for good. Macias. 10 seconds. Macias drives, lay off. In and out. Bamba, 4 seconds. End of the third quarter. 72 and 70. Tigil ang ating laban.
72-70.
Hinahapan ni Vincent. Binigay kay Rosan. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Rosan. Pass to Bukid. Bukid fire for 3. Short. Apolinario. Bukid. Put back 2 points. Para kay Apolinario. Pass to Perez. Back to Vincent. Top of the key. Shoot for 3. So good. Rebound battle. Rockets gets the rebound. Pass to Bukid. Kasuhalan si Manford ang makakuha. Vincent. Pass to Ginitaran. Elbow 3-pointer. Connect para kay Ginitaran. Bukid ngayon. Pass to Rosal. Supply ang bola na Ginitaran. Pass to Bamba. Bamba. Tinukot. Si Vincent. Puput back. 2 points para kay Vincent. First personal foul. First team foul. Kasama kayo sa team foul yan. Wala lang tayo team foul. Apo. Kasama sa team foul. Perez. Pass to 3 points. Lamang na ang teamwork. Bukid, pick up the ball. Bukid. Lines is dropping up a in. Pinawi ang ating number 20 to Bukid. 3 points.
Points lang yung isa. Stay.
Officials po, bumibitaw. Season. Pass to Bangor. Bangor, take the shot. Basket 2 points. That's basketball. Opo. Bukid, pass to Eugenio. Eugenio, 5 for 3. No good. Rebound, Bamba. Bamba, forward pass to Season. Season pass to Bangor. Basket 2 points. Bamba ngayon. Nakita sa nalang deflected by Eugenio. Eugenio, pass to Nokias. Nokias ngayon. Booking the ball. Pass to Bukid. Bukid. 5 for 3. Yes, sir! 3 points. Ang bola na ay Bamba. Bamba, pass to Bangor. Bangor ngayon. Bangor, pass to Deason. Deason, lay off. Basket para kay Deason. Eugenio. Eugenio now. Pass to Apolinario. Apolinario, iniwan kay Ace. Basket 2 points para kay Ace. So play pa Bamba gets the rebound. Bamba, pass to Ginitaran. Ginitaran, drive, iniwan. Kay Bayon. Pag-rebound for Apolinario. Pass to Bukid for 3. No good. Rebound, Bangor. Bangor ngayon. Pass to Vincent. Iniwan kay Ginitaran. Basket 2 points. Apolinario, against Bayon. Apolinario, makakalusot. Apolinario, take the shot. Basket 2 points. Para kay Apolinario. Pass to Deason. 7 seconds on the shot clock. Bayon, pass to Ginitaran. Ginitaran, fire for 3. No good. 14 seconds. Ginitaran. Pass to Bamba. Bamba fires. Bang! Bang! Bukid. Bamba win. Bamba win! Bukid. Pag may net pala po ang substitution. Minutes and 5 seconds. Last 2 minutes. Bamba. 2 points. And it's a timeout. 22 seconds remaining. Daniel, pass up in area, Julian Beaton. Beaton at the eye, no good. Rebound. Same ball possession. Last 26 seconds. 2 seconds differential between the shot clock and the game clock. 26 seconds. Two shots, it's correct. Foul versus number 20 to Bukid. First personal foul penalty. First fair basket. Second try, basket for it, 23 seconds. Apolinario. Drive, lay off, basket, 2 points para Apolinario. 16 seconds. Same goal possession.